Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook beef pulao. This recipe is step by step. The first step is to make the beef broth. For beef pulao recipe, I need 3 pounds of beef and 6 cups of rice. I am going to use this rice for my beef pulao recipe today. The brand is Ariana rice. I use this brand before every time. Perfect pulao recipe. First wash the rice and the meat. Then soak the rice for at least 1 hour before cooking. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to cook my beef broth in an electronic pressure cooker because it takes less time to make the beef broth. Add 2 cups of red onions. Cook it for about 3 minutes. The onion is ready. I'm going to use boneless beef for this recipe. Add the meat. Cook the meat for 3 minutes or till it's golden brown. The beef changed its color, it means it's ready. Add a teaspoon of salt and some black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix them well, then add 4 cups of water. I will use cold water. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can use regular pot, but the cooking timing is different. It takes hours to make the beef broth in regular pots. The beef pulao recipe is ready.